Let's watch this video
Roles which
together.
AI can never take over. And we are talking about IT industry. What roles inside the IT industry are probably never going to be replaced by AI? The primary reason being that these roles requires humans who make decisions. More than anything else, these are decision-making roles. Okay, so let's get started. Number one role is that of an enterprise solution architect. What
Of
do these
course.
people do? Enterprise solution architects are the people who think
Exactly.
about the bigger picture. They think about how various systems talk to each other, whether it is an old system or a new system or a on-prem or a cloud system. Enterprise architects are the people who make sure that all systems talk to each other properly. They are the people who actually convince stakeholders about why a particular system should be used, why something should be decommissioned. They are the people who understand how the systems function. So AI cannot take over the role of enterprise solution architects. Number two, the role of technical product managers. While the technical product managers can use a lot of AI tools, they themselves cannot be replaced by AI. And here is why. The primary reason is that technical product managers are the people who take a vague business idea and then turn it into a product plan. They are the people who decide how or what product will be built. They are the people who involve everybody else, for example, leadership, customers, team members, engineers, and they keep everybody together and they keep everybody aligned. And that is why an AI tools can help in this role by giving the right data or maybe some ideas, but AI cannot manage stakeholders, AI cannot manage or convince leadership, AI cannot motivate the team members, and that is why product manager roles are going to stay. Number three, cybersecurity professionals. These are the people who respond to incidents. If there is a hacking incident, these are the people who respond to it first. These are the people who find out loopholes in the security layer, and they are the people who respond to emergencies. So they cannot be replaced by any AI tools ever. You will always need humans to respond to emergencies. Because hackers are creative and unpredictable, and in real crisis situation, you want to trust a human. You don't want to trust a software because humans will be able to weigh in the risks and able to understand the business impact, and humans will be able to make better decisions than a AI software. And that is why cybersecurity professionals are never going to be touched drastically by AI. Number four, site reliability engineers or platform engineers. These are the people who keep the platform running. They are the people who fix big outages, and they are the people who make sure that the services are reliable and ongoing. Why they cannot be replaced is because outages are a messy situations. AI can help with certain suggestions for fixes, but deciding what is the next immediate and safest step, that needs to be done by some human, which also involves coordinating with a lot of people and calming down the customers. And because there is a human judgment involved, AI can never take this role. Number five, IT governance and risk compliance. These are the people who make sure that the company follows all the laws and the industry rules. They are the people who make sure that the company follows the security standards, and they help the company manage exceptions. Because companies are answerable to the regulators, you will always need these humans who can respond or who can manage this part of the governments. Exceptions keep happening, laws keep changing, and regulators will always expect some responsible human to take the responsibility. You cannot just delegate this entire thing to AI tools. So GRC folks will always be needed to explain the human decisions. This cannot be done by algorithms. Alright, and last but not the least, the role of CXOs. The CEO role, the CTO role, COO role, or any other roles which are reporting into the CEO. Most of these roles will not be touched by AI because these are the roles where business decisions are being made. These people will use a lot of automation. But if you're in a leadership role, then be assured that no AI can ever take that role from you. So the higher you climb in the corporate ladder, the more safe you become from AI replacing you. Now, I know a lot of you watching this may have your own opinions on why whatever I've said is not correct. I'll be happy to read your views in the comments, but generally speaking, these are the safest rules in my mind.